Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now, suppose you are looking for a new DTF direct-to-film printer, but you are overwhelmed by all of the choices, the prices, the models. You're having difficulty choosing. Don't worry, it happens to even experienced people in the industry. Today, we will walk you through everything you need to know in order to choose the correct printer. Whether you are getting a printer for the first time or you're looking to upgrade, we will help you choose one that fits your needs. And we'll also cover some of the top mistakes people make when choosing a printer. How to choose the right DTF printer for you? Ultimate practical guide. The current DTF market and common user pain points. DTF printing has grown rapidly in the past few years. It's now widely used in e-commerce, custom apparel, and small-scale production. But with so many printers out there, different brands, sizes, feeding methods, and software, it's easy to get confused. Choosing by specs, not needs. Many people are attracted by parameters such as 1.8 meter width and high-speed dual nozzles right from the start, thinking that the bigger and faster the better. But they find that supply and demand do not match. Ignoring compatibility. Focusing only on the printing and forgetting about matching film, powder, and shaker can cause poor print results. Poor budget planning. Spending too much on the printer and not enough on maintenance and supplies often leads to trouble later on. New trends in DTF printing. Alright, so before we dive into how to choose your machine, let's look at the big DTF trends of 2025. Smarter machines. Powder shakers keep getting better. DTF machines are getting way smarter now. Print heads clean themselves automatically. Nozzles detect clogs, powder shakers warn you when the powder is low, temperature control is precise, and there are anti-interference systems. Maintenance is way easier. Faster speeds. Multi-head and wide format printers. Big 1.8 meter wide machines are perfect for cross-border e-commerce and teams that need high volume output. Greener tech. Powderless printers. Powderless printers ditch traditional chemical powder and use hot melt glue spray instead. No dust, no pollution, much more eco-friendly. Cooler visuals. More colors and special films. 9-color, 12-color options, plus gold foil, color shifting films, textured 3D films. DTF is no longer just about prints, it's about amazing selling points. Smarter design. AI drawing tools integrated. Some brands are integrating AI design tools right into their systems, helping you generate patterns and layouts automatically, boosting efficiency. More versatile printing, DTF and DTG all in one machine. Combining two printing methods in one machine, perfect for customers needing flexible processes and varied production lines. Ink upgrades, richer colors, and better eco standards. Newest inks offer more vibrant colors, better wash durability, and come with multiple environmental certifications, making it easier to sell overseas. How to choose the right DTF printer. Alright, so now that we covered the big trends of 2025, let's talk about the 4 key factors you need to think about when choosing your machine. It's important to be both practical and future-proof. First is the printer configuration. Things like the printhead models, i3200, i600, and brother printhead, XP600, Mainboard and RIP software. These directly affect machine stability and the printing. Second is print speed and quality. Don't just focus on the advertised speed. What really matters is if the machine runs stably in real production, whether the colors are vibrant, and if the details come out sharp. Don't get fooled by flashy test prints. Third is cost control. Printing an A3 piece isn't just about the price of ink, film, and powder. You also need to factor in waste, reprints, and hidden costs like electricity. Fourth is training, after sales, and technical support. Buying the machine is just the start. How easy it is to use, how quickly it gets fixed if something breaks, and whether the software gets updates. Now, all four of these are very important, and you should consider them when deciding what machine to get. Printer configuration. Stable operation of a DTF printer relies on three key components: the printhead, mainboard, and RIP software. First, the printhead, the heart of the printer. The printhead determines print quality as well as the machine's lifespan and stability. Currently, most mainstream models use Epson printheads with different models suited for different widths and needs. XP600, entry level, suitable for 12 to 18-inch machines, affordable with average stability. i1600A1, upgraded small format printhead, supports finer droplet technology, better quality and lifespan than XP600. i3200A1, mid to high-end choice, fits 24 to 47-inch wide machines, fast printing, stable colors, and long lifespan. 4720 S3200, industrial grade printheads, suitable for large-scale continuous production. Second, the mainboard, the brain of the machine. The mainboard coordinates the entire printer's operation, controlling the printhead, motors, and color output. Preferred mainboards are Hosen, Beijing, and Sunyung models, known for good compatibility, stability, and efficiency. Custom-made mainboards require attention to compatibility and after-sale support. Third, RIP software, the translator from design to print. Image files need to be converted into ink droplet data recognizable by the printhead. This is the RIP software's job. Common RIP software includes PhotoPrint, Neostampa, CAD-Link, and MainTop. When purchasing, ensure the software is officially licensed, supports ICC color management, and matches your hardware. Print speed and print quality. Don't just look at the specs. It's all about the right fit. All right, so with speed and quality, they're in balance. You need to check the right one for you. Consider practicality. Now, don't focus only on how fast it prints. You might hear other ads boasting something like 15 square meters an hour or ultra-fast dual printing head, but think about what you need to achieve these. What about the print quality? What about the resolution? What about the colors? What about the software? Speed isn't the only factor. Real production speed depends on tips. For large orders and less demand for finer details, choose dual or multi-head high-speed machine. For detail-focused, high-value custom jobs, prioritize print quality over speed. Second, quality. Can you really tell the difference? DTF print quality is affected by Many users find the same image looks quite different on different machines. Difference in printing effect. Third, can you have both speed and quality? Yes, but it requires good configuration and professional tuning. 3 solutions. Consider the cost of DTF printing. This means to control your production costs, you need to carefully consider the price and quality of the materials you use. Doing this will impact directly your competitiveness and your pricing strategy. Well, actually, what really saves money is not just buying the cheapest machine, but one that is stable and easy to maintain. A machine that runs smoothly and is long-lasting. That is true cost efficiency. Now, cost efficiency should meet 3 criteria. First, high-quality core components, like the main board, print head, and heating modules. Second, low failure rate and easy maintenance, with clear repair costs and easy-to-replace parts. Third, a complete and compatible consumables system. Ink, films, and powder should ideally be from the same brand or certified to work together. So don't just focus on the price tag. Think about whether it's affordable to run in the long term, because you're not just buying a printer. You're investing in a full set of profitable productivity. Training, service, and support, the backbone of long-term success. If you're new to DTF printing, then you really have to hear this. Even the best machine is just a hunk of metal without the proper training and support. So, before you choose which printer, you need to ask yourself at least these 3 questions. 1. Is the training actually helpful? Will I really learn how to use it? How to start the machine and set it up. How to use the software and go through the full printing process. How to handle RIP color adjustment and ICC color management. Daily maintenance and cleaning, troubleshooting, and diagnosing error. Even better if there's someone to guide you one-on-one via remote video, walk you through real machine operations, and provide PDF manuals or video replays. Some companies can even remotely access your computer to help you install and configure RIP software and printing parameters. 2. How fast is the after-sales support? Do they have a backup plan? Do they have a dedicated support team available 12 hours a day, 7 days a week? Can they respond within 1 hour and solve problems within 24 hours? Can they ship spare parts and consumables quickly? Do they offer remote video guidance for fixing issues? 3. Do they offer long-term maintenance and spare parts supply? Do they offer long-term maintenance? Do they offer a spare part supply? Because a DTF printer is not just a one-term purchase. It's a system that requires care over the long term. So ask yourself the following. Are key parts like print heads, main boards, heaters, and powder shakers available long term? Does the supplier guarantee 1 year plus stock of critical components? Do they send maintenance reminders for daily upkeep? Can you get the same ink, film, and powder consistently without frequent model changes? We recommend choosing brands with in-house technical teams or factories, vendors who provide remote maintenance plus fast parts delivery, suppliers with complete consumables plus technical support plus repair solutions. A lot of beginners only focus on price when buying a printer, but what really matters in the long run, what keeps your business running and profit stable, is having a reliable support team by your side. Navigating the dynamic DTF printing market, your equipment choice defines success. Sublister delivers end-to-end solution from compact A3 to high throughput. 1.2 meter industrial printers paired with vibrant 4 to 12 color systems for unmatched detail and accuracy. Enjoy seamless software integration with mainstream design tools, intelligent automation for stable production, and comprehensive after-sales support covering installation, training, and rapid maintenance. Choose Sublister to maximize value, reduce cost, boost efficiency, increase ROI, and turn every print into profit in today's competitive market. I'm Matt, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DTF tips. See you next video.